Afternoon YouTube, how are you guys doing? Today we're going to be working on the blue S2000 and solving a rather annoying issue in my opinion with the hardtop. So let me jump into the car real quick and show you what issue I'm talking about regarding the S2000 hardtop. Alright, so jumping in here, so one of the issues I've read online about these hardtops is if you use the soft top latches with the soft top strikers, they don't sit well because they're meant for the soft top, and so the grabbing point, the hook on these aren't as thick. So what happens is whenever I go over some turns or bumps, this latch will kind of pop out a little bit, and you know, for the most part it's fine. It doesn't come loose or anything, like it's still held on there, but you know, so for peace of mind we're going to be upgrading the latch right here and the striker that's in the A-pillar. It's more of the driver's side that's more of an issue, and I've played around with adjusting the hardtop as well and making sure it's seated properly, and no matter what, the driver's side always pops out a little bit. The passenger side over here kind of does the same thing, but it's not nearly as bad as the driver's side. So it should be a pretty simple install. Basically what we're going to do is just take off the A-pillar, the cover here from taking off the dash light, and do the same thing for the other side. So let me show you what parts we got and the part numbers that we ordered. Okay, so here are the part numbers. This is the hardtop latch. Oops, drop that. This is the hardtop latch. They are different from left to right, so you notice the part number here, 85100 S2A 901. This one is 150 S2A 901. These two are going to be for your left and right side, and the strikers here, this is the part number as well. The strikers should be interchangeable left to right, so that should be good to go. But yeah, the biggest upgrade with these is that they should be a little thicker so that they grab harder and hopefully not pop out. So this video should be pretty quick and easy. Let's go ahead and take the old ones out, get all the trim pieces around it off, and toss these in the car. Okay, panel is off. It was flathead, and this thing just pops down. And once this thing is down, this is also a good opportunity if you do have an aftermarket radio to wire up a microphone up here, so that's hidden away. But otherwise, that's pretty simple. You know, you take off 4 screws, pops right out. And to take off the strikers, there are 2 Phillips heads in here and over there as well. We'll be taking those Phillips heads out and also taking off the bolts that hold the latch in here. So should be pretty simple. Once we get those out, we'll toss the new ones in and take it for a quick drive to see if some of the looseness is remedied. Okay guys, we got the left one installed, and immediately this is like a much bigger difference. Like, it's a much more secure latch. First off, let me show you the hardware differences. So on the left here, this is what is supposed to come with the hardtop latches, and on the right, this is what came with the car. Again, I don't know if this was what was provided from the hardtop when the original owner bought this hardtop, but you can see on the left one it's a lot longer, and just securing the hardtop itself with these latches now, it's a lot more firm and engaging. Honestly, I was almost kind of scared that it was going to crack something, but I mean, this is on there. This is like really tight. So we're going to do the same thing now for the right side. Okay, so this is how the soft top latches in with the hardtop. You know, it's very easy but very loose. You can see like it's a lot like loose to get in. This is the hardtop one, and you can tell like that really gets in there, and it's very secure. So that's a definite big upgrade from the soft top latch. Okay, so while I have this out, let me show you guys the difference between the strikers for the hardtop and soft top. This one here's the hardtop, this one here's the soft top, and you can just kind of see like this groove here is a lot shallower than the soft top, so it's less room for wiggle, and it's just overall a little thicker. So yeah, I think that's kind of like one of the key differences with the strikers to help the latch really grab into it and make it secure. Okay, so for some reason the GoPro decided to stop working with the audio, so I'm just editing this video now and noticed that the entire sequence that I had filmed for the outro is completely silent. So anyways, hardtop latch, it solved that popping issue where occasionally where if I go over some uneven pavement, the latch pops out. This completely solved it. I got these latches from Formula S, so shout out to Formula S. I'll link their website in the description below. They shipped it out really fast, and the owner, Alan, is extremely pleasant to work with. I've had to purchase something from him that wasn't offered directly on the website, and he was able to get me accommodated. So yeah, this is going to be a really quick video of just upgrading the latches, or if you need to replace the latches on your S2000. Very simple to do, you know, pull a pillar, lights out, and the entire thing drops down. And yeah, very quick and easy to do. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little video, hit that like and subscribe button, and be sure to check out my Instagram at QMedia for some behind the scenes content. I think at the time of recording this, or when this is about to be uploaded, we are literally less than 10 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to be number 1,000, hit that subscribe button. I'll have a live stream or something if we do hit 1,000. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned for that. Without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video where we have some good and bad news. Good news, hopefully we should get our cord back. I'll make a whole video detailing what happened with that. Bad news, broke the Blue S2000. So next video we'll be going over what happened and what the fix is. So yeah, without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace out and take care.